Hey everyone, welcome to Kasturi, and today we are going to learn how to use Imaje, that is Fiji, to analyze the equation blot bands. Let's see. So we have already downloaded the Fiji, which is a Imaje version. So you can download this as well, or just the Imaje. But I would prefer like download Fiji Imaje 2, which is more advanced and it has more features. So now it's open here. So generally if you have your own blots, you can open by going through the new and then image, or like importing it from whatever you have your sequences. So if you, for now, for the sake of easiness or for the sake of like more consistent blot, I'll just get the samples that it has already, so you can practice on this as well. Go to the open samples from the file and then go to the gel, and then you'll have this nice open gel here that's there. And then now you have this gel and you want to analyze these bands of interest, for example, and then you go to the select rectangle tool, and then you select your first bands, and then make sure that this is the area that covers every band you want to select on your lens. For example, like this is a perfect one, so let's keep it in the first one. So I keep it in the first lane, and then I go to the analyze, and then go to the gels, and you select first lane, which is the shortcut is like command and 1 if you are using Mac. So select first lane, for example, for now, and then it gives the automatic 1 number, and then you select the same area, and then you go to the second lane, and then you go there, and then you go to analyze again, and then you go to gels, and you are now selecting the next lane. So select next lane, and the shortcut is command 2, right? So you select the same thing, it will select the similar area of rectangle, and then go to analyze, or you can use a shortcut key, which is control 2 now, right? So for the first one it was just command 1, and then for the second and third and fourth it's always command 2, right? So now I'm gonna use shortcuts for now, that is command plus 2, it will give 4, and then again for this one I'll use the shortcut command plus 2. So nice looking 1 2 3 4 5 bands I have. Now the next step is to like measure it, right? So we're going to measure it, the lens, by plotting it, right? So when you go to the, what I did was like I go to analyze and then go to gels, and then you just plot lens, and then you, or the shortcut is like command 3, and then you get this nice plots here. Now we're gonna measure these plots, but before that you have to like select this straight tool so that you define the area of your selection. So I need to be consistent, right? So I'll just select this tool and then go straight from here. I'm just defining the area that it needs to select, right? So this is, for example, like I go here and then go here. I'll do it for every, these are individual bands that I had, like these square bands, I don't know, plotted in this way. So I'm just defining the area right now. So this has to be like, you know, around as max as you can get, like for example from here to like here, right? So when you do that, right, so after this, like let's see, so this is a WAN tool, right? This selects the whatever you define. So when you click it, like WAN tool, tracing tool, and then you select this one, for example, it will give the area of whatever you had, right? For first, second, third, fourth, fifth, right? So you have the area, you have the measurement here. So yeah, this is area. You can select them, and then you can just save them on whatever you want to save them, right? For example, if you want to save them on Excels, let's see, go to the Excels and then you'll right, sorry, my bad. So when you have this one, let's go to the Excel, for example. I'll go to the Excel and open it, and then you can just copy that and then get your data over here, right? And then do whatever you want to do with those guys. Like for example, you have those data here, right? So yeah, so you can make graphs out of it and then anything you want to do it. Thank you. If you like this video, subscribe Kasturi Girl. See you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.